So you want to cook meals from whole ingredients to avoid hidden sugars and the chemical additives.
Oh yes, and there's plenty, because if you go down each aisle, it's in everything. Okay, what's secret number 6?
Yeah, you're really good at looking at the labels.
Yes.
And you say, look what's in the bread here. And you look at the bread, like, this ain't even bread anymore.
It's bioengineered ingredients.
It's craziness. Yeah.
Go look for a jar of pickles and tell me what's in a jar of pickles.
I couldn't believe you showed me that. I can't believe it. Natural flavoring.
Natural flavoring and yellow number 5.
Yellow number 5.
Yes.
Unbelievable. Anyway,
Yes.
man.
Spices. Look at your spice bottles.
God, that's
Oils.
right. We're going down Costco and there was all oils. Unbelievable.
And spices.
Spices.
Okay, what's number 6?
Seasonal fresh foods. You got to choose what's grown locally right now instead of processed foods that last for months.
That's right, because we were told, oh, you can get strawberries all year round.
Yeah.
No.
But there's seasonality.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
Mm-hmm.
And you can taste it when it's not fresh and good.
It's not sweet, because when you eat fruits in season, it's sweet, right? When you eat asparagus, is not grown all year round.
Yeah.
So asparagus is not supposed to taste tough.
Hey, asparagus fresh off the branch. Oh my gosh, it's
Delish.
so good. I know.
Okay.
Secret number 7 is your walk. You walk as daily transportation. You walk for errands. You visit your neighbors. You get in places instead of driving everywhere. Ubering or taxis
That's right.
or Segways.
I couldn't believe I saw that the other day. Like, you're that lazy, you can't walk.
Oh, so there's some guy from our door?
Yeah.
On a Segway, yeah.
Yeah, instead of walking, you can't walk.
I can't walk the neighborhood. That's craziness. I know.
Anyway, number 8.
Secret number 8 is active daily chores. Oh my gosh, you got to work at home. No, just do manual housework and yard work that keeps your body moving throughout the whole entire day.
Not everybody wants to do that, though.
That's why in 1960s, it was effortless. In
So-
today's age, it's not so effortless.